Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's a one-owner vehicle that's done less than 17,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.